Hello friends, welcome to my channel Significant Updates. This is complete educational channel, so please subscribe and support. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get new updates from my channel. In this video, I am going to explain you complete information about Ekalavya Model Residential School Recruitment 2021. So don't skip the video, watch complete video for better information. EMRS Teacher Recruitment 2021. Ministry of Tribal Affairs has started accepting online applications for 3,479 vacancies for the recruitment to the post of Principal, Vice Principal, PGT and TGT in the Eklavya Model Residential Schools in 17 states across the country. Organization Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Posts Principal, Vice Principal, PGT and TGT. Vacancies 3,479. Online registration 1st April 2021. Last date to apply 13th April 2021. Exam date first week of June 2021. Category teaching jobs. Job location anywhere in 17 states. Official website. See the vacancy details. State Principal, Vice Principal, PGT, TGT and total vacancies. Andhra Pradesh Principal 14 vacancies, Vice Principal 6, PGT 0, TGT 97, total 117. Chhattisgarh 37, Chhattisgarh Principal 37, Vice Principal 19, PGT 135, TGT 323, total 514. Gujarat 17, Vice Principal 2, PGT 24, TGT 118, total 161. Himachal Pradesh Principal 1, Vice Principal 0, PGT 6, TGT 1, total 8. Jharkhand Principal 8, Vice Principal 8, PGT 132, TGT 60, total 208. Jammu Kashmir Principal 2, Vice Principal 0, PGT 0, TGT 12, total 14. Madhya Pradesh Principal 32, Vice Principal 32, PGT 625, TGT 590, total 1279. Maharashtra Principal 16, Vice Principal 8, PGT 28, TGT 164, total 216. Manipur Principal 0, Vice Principal 2, PGT 8, TGT 30, total 40. Mizoram Principal 0, Vice Principal 3, PGT 2, TGT 5, total 10 vacancies. Odisha Principal 15, Vice Principal 11, PGT 12, TGT 106, total 144. Rajasthan Principal 16, Vice Principal 11, PGT 102, TGT 187, total 316. Sikkim Principal 2, Vice Principal 2, PGT 17, TGT 23, total 44. Telangana Principal 11, Vice Principal 6, PGT 77, TGT 168, total 262. Tripura Principal 1, Vice Principal 3, PGT 36, TGT 18, total 58. Uttar Pradesh Principal 2, Vice Principal 2, PGT 37, TGT 38, total 79. Uttarakhand Principal 1, Vice Principal 1, PGT 3, TGT 4, total 9. Total 3,479 vacancies all over the India. Eligibility for this post. Principal posts. The candidate should possess a master's degree from a recognized university with at least 45% marks in aggregate and BEd or equivalent teaching degree, basic knowledge of working on computer. For vice principal post, the candidate should possess a master degree from a recognized university with at least 50% marks in aggregate, B.Ed or equivalent teaching degree, and basic knowledge of working on the computer. Postgraduate teachers, master's degree from a recognized university with at least 50% marks, B.Ed or equivalent degree from a recognized university, and proficiency in teaching in Hindi and English medium. TGT, trained graduate posts, bachelor's degree with at least 50% marks in the concerned subjects, combination of subjects and in aggregate, B.Ed or equivalent degree from a recognized university, pass in the TET paper 2 by CBSE or appearing TET, proficiency in teaching in Hindi and English medium. Experience. For principal posts, the candidate should hold experience of principals in central or state government or autonomous organizations of central or state government in the pay band of 15,600 to 39,100 with grade pay of 7,600, or the candidate should hold vice principal or assistant education officer in central state government or autonomous organization of central or state government in the pay band of 15,600 to 39,100 with grade pay of 5,400 with combined services of 5 years as PGT and 2 years as vice principal, or persons holding posts of PGT or lecturer in central state government, autonomous organization of central state government in the pay band of 9,300, 34,800 with grade pay 4,800 are equivalent with at least 8 years regular service in the aforesaid grade, or the candidate should hold 15 years combined regular services as TGT in the pay band of 9,300 to 34,800 with grade pay of 4,600 and PGT in the pay band of 9,300 to 34,800 with grade pay of 4,800, out of which 3 years as PGT. For vice principal post, the candidate should hold 2 years experience of working on the post of vice principal in the central or state government autonomous organization of central or state government, or the candidate should hold 6 years experience of working on the post of PGT or lecturer in central state government autonomous organizations of central or state government, or the candidate should hold 10 years experience of working as PGT or lecturer and TGT in central state or state government autonomous organization of central or state government, of which at least 3 years should be of working on the post of PGT or lecturer. See the exam pattern for this notification. For principal, exam objective type 160 marks, personality or test or interview for 40 marks, duration of exam 3 hours 180 minutes, general English 10 questions, general Hindi 10 questions, general knowledge and current affairs 10 questions, logical reasoning 10 questions, computer literacy 10 questions, quantitative aptitude 10 questions, academic 30 questions, administration and finance 70 questions, total 160 questions. For vice principal, objective type 160 marks, per interview 40 marks, duration of exam 3 hours 180 minutes, general English 10 questions, general Hindi 10 questions, general knowledge and current affairs 10 questions, logical reasoning 10 questions, computer literacy 10 questions, quantitative aptitude test 10 questions, academic 60 questions, administration and finance 40 questions, total 160 questions. For PGT, exam objective type 160 questions, for interview 40 marks, duration 3 hours 180 minutes,
General English 10 questions, General Hindi 10 questions, General Knowledge and Current Affairs 10 questions, Analytical Ability 15 questions, Numerical Ability 10 questions, Computer Literacy 5 questions, Teaching Aptitude 20 questions, Subject Knowledge 80 questions, total 160 questions. TGT exam 180 marks, duration of exam 3 hours. General English 10 questions, General Hindi 10 questions, General Knowledge and Current Affairs 10 questions, Analytical Ability 15 questions, Numerical Ability 10 questions, Computer Literacy 5 questions, Teaching Aptitude 20 questions, Subject Knowledge 100, total 180 questions. In that, 1 mark is awarded for every right answer and 0.25 marks is deducted for every incorrect answer. So this is all about the complete information of Eklavya Model Residential School Recruitment 2021, and official website link is available in video description. Please go there and click that link to apply.